Okay, hi guys. So we will talk about the real application on the HTML format. So in here, assuming that I have the Wikipedia table here, which is the population by country, and then I want to use this table in my Power BI. So I just copy the link here, and then I go to my Power BI, and then I go to the same process, which is to get the data from the web, and then I just copy the URL from here, and then I just it will ask me for the credential, because sometimes the online website they actually need a login password, but this one, because the Wikipedia is open to the public, so you don't need a password, anything. So this one has three tables inside. Actually, it has more than three, but we only need number two. So I will select number two here, and then I will transform the data, because I think there's something not very clean about the data, and then I want to. Okay, so in here, and then you can see that actually the table. So first thing I want to name it into W1, which is or wiki1 for wiki1. Okay, later we will uh, do the two. The world population, maybe I won't display in here, so I will filter it by does not equal. So I will get rid of the first one. This one I think I can get rid of also. So I know this one is ranked already. Uh, and then this one is the name, and then this one is the number or the population. Okay, so I get rid of this one also. So text filters and then does not equal. So I have a cleaner table here. In this case, I think the number is not very clean. In this case, I don't have the number because they are all already like text like this. So I think I need something to cleanse the number, because at the moment I don't have anything just to display the numbers. Okay, so but at least I have the table like this, and then let us see how it goes in a situation like this. Close and apply. So I will have the wiki number one in here, and then if I change this one, I add a new page, and then I can display the name and then the population in here already. And now, at the moment, the numbers they are actually the text, not the numbers, because of the additional um, thing in here. Okay, so we cannot draw the bar chart at the moment because of the numbers because the numbers in a text. Okay, later I will show you how to draw it. Now we do the second one with the same concept. So basically, I have the second table here, which is to um, which is the population in 2015 as well. So I do the same thing. I copy the link, and then in here I will go to get the data on the website, and then I will just paste the link inside the importing in the importing, and then we have the tables as well. So in here we have several tables, and then this one is not what I want, but this one looks like very promising, so I will check it, and then I will transform it before I load. Okay, so in here I will take wiki number two, and then I also have the rank in here. Actually, this one is very clean, but and I still name it name, and then this one is will be the population. Okay, so the tree here I think is okay to have, but I just remove it for now. Later you can. Actually, this one is very clean because the numbers is here already. There's no reference in this. I will remove the wall again because it doesn't contribute to my. I'm not quite sure why India is number two in here, so I have to read the source. So most of the time when you do deal with the data and then there's there's like a note in here, I have to make sure that we understand the data correctly. So including the data from this website and then this website. To be honest, I'm not familiar with the Indian demographics data sources, so I cannot tell like uh, better. But I think this one we have to check to make sure that our number is line for line with the other sources as well. So this is what we have as of now, and then table number two. So if I close and apply, I will have another table line for line with this one. Okay, so okay, so obviously there's some error in the data. Okay, so this table, I want I will I will remove it um, because of this thing, because of this line. So maybe I will change it before. I will get rid of it before it goes to the. Okay, so I think I can get rid of this one for now already. So I delete the group. So and after this, I can apply also. So after this, I have another table in here, and then I also check the people and then the rank as well. I think I don't need the rank. I only need the name and the people. And then if I sort this one, because this one is a number already, so if I sort this one and then I see uh, the table. If you want to format the table in the decimal places, you can do it as well in here, and then it will be easier for you to read because it has the thousand group in here. Okay, so this one because it is a column with numbers, so you can actually draw the bar chart in here. So I will copy this one into a new page, and I change this one to the bar chart, and then it show me the okay, so you can see here China and India. Uh, in this case, they are the leaders. Other countries will be behind. So you have US here, and then Indonesia, and then the other countries. Okay, so that's how you do how you export the data from the different sources. And then in this case, is the mm, in this case we have the wiki pages. Okay, so the last thing I need to show you in this video is to how to deal with this population. So in this case, actually, you can see the population is I think it's kind of like almost there, but then there's something uh, unusual about this data. So you see in here they have uh, the they have this uh, and then they have accidental values in here. So to be honest, I also don't know how to handle this kind of situation. But I know that if I want the first number, In this case, before the n number one here, I can use regular expression to get the numbers. Okay, so let me show you how to do it in here. So I would duplicate this one, so it look like polite as of now. And I change this the second one into the R script. So the R script is the same thing, but then it will give me more freedom to manipulate this table. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is just to define the main function with global data frame equal to the input data set, and then that's it. And then I will call the main later. Okay, so in here I will need to include the library grid extra because I want to display the table, and then grid table head of this table. I don't want to display all the table because it will cost a lot of time to display. I only display some sample. In this case, I want to display the head of the table. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so now I want to get rid of those guys behind here. So I need something called a regular expression in this case. So um, I will write something like this. Um, GDF um, uh, population clean will be the substitute of the G whenever I see the open bracket to the end and anything else to the end, I will replace by the now of this population. Okay, so this one it just means I replace the current values. Let me show you the value first before. Okay, so I just replace the population in this, and whenever I have the square bracket until the end, and then I will replace with 0, so it will give me something like this. So in this case, I actually can replace the comma as well because the thousand group as well because it doesn't make sense to me anymore. So I just use the sub and then the thousand group, in this case with the blank, and then fix true. So when you use G sub function with the fix true, it doesn't use the regular expression, it just use the normal expression. Okay, so something is wrong already. Fix, sorry, the other way around. So I have to put this one in front. So it will give me the numbers in here. Okay, so basically this guy and this guy, they are the same, but this guy is the text and this guy is the number. Okay, so if you want to change the values in some cases, you have the values like this. Mm, okay, where can I find the values? Actually, I have a very simple trick for those kind of thing, which is to okay, let me write the replace function first. X A B, which is sub of A B X fix to. So this one is just the way you want to you want to keep it short for your replacement. So you can do like something like this: X replace uh, GDF. Okay, so this means that it will use this function replace, and then whenever it is sees the comma, it will replace with the blank. So I need another replace, which is this X. Whenever I see the open bracket, I will replace with the square bracket. Okay, so this trick is important because later I will apply this x to this expression, to x to here. Okay, so this just mean that whenever I meet the square bracket or the bracket like this, and then I will just change it into the. Okay, so now I think I have a better idea, which is to just to use the bracket in here like this, and then it works in the same way. But anyway, so it look like this. Let me check if so it doesn't work for the close bracket. Sorry, because of this. Okay, so I think I still need uh, the solution, my solution. Okay, so now it looks clean already, but because I just show the only samples, not all the tables, so I'm not quite sure about the result. But I can actually save it to my desktop, and then I can import in here. Okay, so if I want to see the whole table, I need to do this. Write CSV, ZDF, and then the file. So the file the file path I will use uh, the folder, and then the desktop, and then table one dot CSV, and then I think that's it. And then I don't want the row names, so I display the. Okay, so this one will export my table to my desktop, uh, and then let me check if I can get the CSV file in here. So you can see here in my desktop there's a table in here already. And then if I check the column number 3, or I transpose the table first, and then in this case, because I have the name here already, I use the first row to transform my data, and then I scroll down and see how. I think, this one has the problem here. You can see the West Bank, it has some problem in here already. So I think in this case, the West Bank is not Uh, I think this is not a good idea. So I will have to change my solution in this case. So in this case, I think after the I don't care about this anymore. After the space and then anything else, I will remove. Okay, let us see how it works. So in here, I think the data is clean already, but I'm not quite sure about the rest. I have to get the data again and then uh, see how it works. Okay, so transform the data and then I think it's fine. Let us check the West Bank. Where is it? Okay, there you go. So in here, so I changed my plan to replace everybody from after the space and everything else will be blank. So yeah, so that's how it works. And then in this case, so after this, and then I will have another table in here, and I name it uh, wiki one clean. And then I know that this one, they are the same. So the clean one is, oh, by the way, the clean one is the number already. So you can draw the same thing in here as well. So basically, if I want to draw the name and then the population clean in this case, and I change it to bar chart, and then I can see the similar picture. But this one is the population by 2000, and this one is 2015. Okay, so hopefully after this example, you know how to import the data from a website. So in this case, the Wikipedia, you have the table from the website, and then if the data is not clean, you know how to use R script and then a regular expression to clean the data.